So when we're in the midst of suffering and hardship, we need hope so that we come out the other side of it experiencing what God has for us from it.
I love being a part of Pure Desire because it just represents a movement in the church of speaking about something that hasn't been talked about a lot.
My life has changed in the aspect of now I have more hope due to having more resources from people that have already walked this path.
I think coming to an in-person summit is huge, especially if you feel stuck. This could help kind of project you even further in your recovery journey.
I have been changed by Pure Desire. My wife, nodding her head, says, I'm not the same person she married 14 years ago.
I highly recommend this summit to other people.
Yes.
Even if you don't think you need to be here, it's probably when you need it the most.
In this room, we have freedom. In this room, we know a way to healing, but the message has to get out. And I know in your stories, and I know many of you can come up to me, and I know some of you that would say, but you don't know my parents. You don't know my elders. You don't know my community. You don't know my small town. And you're right, I don't. But I know your Jesus. And I know what he wants to do with stories of brokenness and recovery.